Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add media to Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding media to Adobe Premiere Pro is a straightforward process. Alright, so of course, when you launch a program and you create a new project or open an existing project, there are a few ways for you to import media into the timeline that you are using right now. So one of the options is go to the file section, click the import section where it says the shortcut is Control+I or Command+I if you're using a Mac. Or import from media browser, which is Control+Alt+I or Command+Alt+I button, or import the recent file if you want it. In my case, what I'm going to do, since I have already the files that is ready to be imported, you want to make sure on the drag, drop and down menu here, you want to click all the supported files. I'm going to click all of them and click the open. Once they have been imported, you want to make sure that they appear on the left side panel of your project. And all I have to do is drag the photo right here. For example, this one right here, I'm going to add the photo and resize it accordingly so that it would fit your project. All right, it's kind of easy. You can drag it here all the way and delete unnecessary files. Want to make sure you play them right here on your timeline, right? Because for one, the idea is that before you can create any video project, you need media files. For example, video clips, audio, images, or graphics to work with. So importing these files is the first step in assembling your project and laying the foundation for the edit. Don't worry, because Adobe Premiere Pro supports a wide variety of media formats, including video, image, files. Importing these different types allows you to combine them into one project, facilitating complex edits that involves different media types. Adding media to the timeline lets you organize your clips into a sequence. This is where you can trim, cut, and rearrange clips to tell a story or create an engaging video. Without adding media, obviously, for example, if I delete all this, there is nothing to edit here. It defeats the purpose of Adobe Premiere Pro in the first place, right? And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.